I'm sitting in front of my freezer today for our next installment of Prioritize Organizing. These are 5-minute tasks that you can do to maintain the organization in your home. A freezer can be someplace that can get really cluttered and be really hard to find what you're looking for. So I would suggest a one-time clean out of your freezer. Sort everything into like items, into categories. So you'll have your meats or your frozen soups or your frozen vegetables or fruit. Put them back into your freezer in those categories so you'll know where to look for what you want. Another great tip is to get a roll of tape and a Sharpie marker to mark things before you put them in your freezer. What it is and when you put it in the freezer is great. Put the date on it. Keep that tape and the Sharpie near your freezer so it will be there when you need it. If you then take just a few minutes every time you go grocery shopping to make sure that you put your frozen items in your freezer in that same fashion, in the categories and labeling them, will make it so much easier for you to find what you want when you want it.